Back with another vid. I've noticed that this has become like my YouTube chair. Like when I want to record like an intro or something, I always sit in this chair. But no worries, I know y'all tired of seeing me on the intros. I'm working on an intro right now. That shit is actually hard. I'm trying to do it myself, but I'm working on a quick intro so I don't have to keep doing like intro vlogs, you know what I mean? But anyway, this video is a quick video of 2 chest exercises that I use during chest day to give me a massive pump. Obviously any chest exercise that you do is going to give you a pump. It's going to force some blood into the muscle, excuse me. But these 2 exercises for me particularly give me a massive pump and just forces a ton of blood into my pecs. So without talking too long, I'm going to roll right into it so you can check it out yourself. Alright, we're starting it off, man, with some isolateral Smith machine chest press. As you can see immediately, man, when your scapula is retracted and you reach your back and pushing those arms forward, pushing those pecs forward, it's easy to shorten the pecs, giving it that good contraction, man, and forcing blood into those pecs. This is hands down one of my favorite exercises. By the time I get off this machine, I have a stupid chest pump, man, and the rest of my chest exercises usually isolateral. I usually do this right after incline and flat bench presses, but here I just threw an extra wheel on there just to do some moderate work. I think I did like 6 reps, but again, look how easy it is to shorten those pecs, forcing that blood into the muscle, man. The next exercise, no, it's not a back workout. This is called the chest thrusters. You set up a barbell in the corner like you would do a T-bar, V-bar row, and you press upward, force some blood into the pecs, giving you that feel of a low to high cable movement. You can use the V-bar on the end to stabilize it, but me, I prefer to use my hands because it feels better to me. I just make like a suction grip, as you can see, and I push upward. I reach back and I push upward and force all those blood into the pecs. And this is my second favorite exercise to give me a massive pump in the gym during chest day. So, the isolateral Smith machine chest press and the chest thrusters are my 2 exercises that I use to get the best pump. Try them out, leave me a comment, let me know if they get you the same type of pump that they give me. If not, work out, do your chest workout, find out which exercise force the most blood into your muscles, and then let me know. I usually find that it's exercises where I can kind of go all the way back and then force, which it should be with anybody, which is why I'm a big fan of pec flies or cable flies, high to low, low to high. This is a quick video of 2 exercises that give me an insane chest pump during my chest workouts. If you like these type of videos, let me know. I keep doing these videos, and stay tuned.